Hi guys, we are going to start by laying a skirt and a top on top of your t-shirt. We are laying a top because we have to trace out the sleeves part. So cut following the shape. For the sleeves, I cut following the sleeves of my t-shirt and I just reshaped it. I didn't record that because my battery died. Here I'm going to go ahead and sew my dress and hem the top part as well.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So now I'm going to go ahead and sew my sleeves.
Wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
So for this part, I already attached my sleeves and all I'm going to do is to go on and sew them together. So after attaching your sleeves, everything is pretty much done and that's all you have to do. So let's go ahead and try it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.